Ava and Angela here with SplitterSplatPreKCoop. In this video, we're going to show you how to play the Monster Mouth game. Alright, so the very first thing that you're going to need, we talked about this in another video, is make your monster. This is Flappy. She's awesome. She has a little tongue like a frog and she likes to eat snacks. And Ava, tell me about yours.
This one is Buzzboo.
Buzzboo. And it's got stripes, kind of like a bee, and even little wings, right? And antenna. Yeah. Okay. All right, so we made our monsters. The other thing you're going to want to do is gather your monster snacks. So we actually have a monster snack printable that you can print out. It's got different shapes on it. You can play around with colors, numbers, letters, right? Just have fun with it. The other thing, you don't have to use these Monster Mouth shapes though, do you? What else can you do, Ava?
You can use buttons or these cool
Those are glowstones, right?
Yeah, glowstones or jewels or maybe even money. And you can also use real snacks like goldfish or mini M&Ms.
Ooh, and that's fun too because you actually get to eat it while you play, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go over the basic way to play the game. This is a really basic version, and you'll see we both have our monsters, and they're very hungry, and we also have our monster snacks. So we're going to play today where you just need to gather 20 snacks. So this is a great way to get them counting from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 20. So I've got 20 snacks, and Ava, show us your 20. So let's see.
These are 20.
Ooh. So she's got her monster snacks from the Monster Snack printable, but then look, she also has a very special jewel. Maybe this is dessert. All right, cool. And so you can also do things, put stipulations on the snacks, like when you gather them, gather 4 of each shape, or gather 4 of each color, 5 of each color, right? There's lots of different ways that you can use those snacks to sort things, to identify colors, identify shapes, numbers, and letters. Okay, little letters, big letters, etc. Okay, so let's get right to it. This is how we actually play the game. So what's the first thing that happens? Ava, let's say you go first. What are you gonna do?
So you just roll, and then if you get a 5, so you go 1.
Go ahead, you can put it in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
So she's fed her monster 5, and her turn is over. Then it's my turn. I'm gonna roll. I got a 3, so I'm gonna feed my monster 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna keep doing that, going back and forth. You could play with even 4 people. You don't have to just play with 2. Yeah. You keep doing that until you've fed your monster all of their snacks, right?
Yep.
Okay, so there's a couple different ways to end the game. If we like the game to be a little bit harder, we say you have to roll the exact number that you need. Remember at the very end, so say you only have 2 left, then you have to roll exactly 2. But if you're playing with younger children that, it's just nice to have the game over with, you can also play where as long as you roll that number or higher, you can win, right? There's lots and lots of different variations on this game, and we'll be posting more videos on those variations, but this is the basic game. Ava, do you have any other thoughts or suggestions you want to give?
Well, no, not really.
Not really? Okay, cool. Well, this is the basic game. We hope you have fun, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.